Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the procedure of generating descriptive statistics. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, RStudio, SPSS, MS Excel, econometrics and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin. Here I have the hypothetical data of 30 students, gender and internal marks out of 50. So if you see this variable, internal marks out of 50, and it is continuous variable. So now we want to generate the descriptive statistics for this internal variable. So you go to exploration. Here you have the option of exploration and then select descriptives. Now once you select the descriptives, you can see this section on your screen. So move this internal variable to variables box, and now you have the values of mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. This is default selection. Suppose you want to edit this selection, so here we have the option of statistics. You click on statistics and now you can edit. Suppose you want the value of variance, range, interquartile range. You can see values here in the result section. Suppose we want this descriptive statistics gender wise. That means we want to split it by our nominal variable. So here our nominal variable is gender. So you select gender and move it to the split by box. And therefore we have the result for male and female separately. Now instead of column wise arrangement, suppose we want row wise arrangement. So here you have the option called variables across rows, and now we have row wise arrangement. So we have mean value, median, standard deviation, variance, interquartile range and range. So this is how we can find the descriptive statistics using JAMOVI. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.